Hey guys, sound demo for the Feng Drive, Grincustoms Feng Drive. If you want a PCB, I'll leave the link in the description below. Nice overdrive, nice and versatile. Two tone shaping controls, swank and tone, which we went over in the schematic view in the brief overview in the build report. This one also acts a little bit like a game control, which is what I forgot to mention in the overview of the schematic, because it's a bit like the Distortion Plus gain control. As you adjust it, it also adjusts the gain as well. So actually pretty appropriate that those two are black because they kind of work together. And as Reg mentions in the build report, this gain control is actually backwards, so it's actually on full at the moment, not minimum. So let's take a look at the effect. I'll play around with this clipper as well. Going to be difficult for me to show you a comparison with the clipper because as you add and remove devices from the clipping stage, you add and remove volume. But I'll see if I can do a bit of a comparison between the three modes. So actually let's start off with that first. We'll look at the clipping control first, and then I'll just play around with some of the other controls as well.